Charlie speaking here. We went on a bike ride today. We had a picnic and we all got sweaty at the end. Then we all went in for a nice drink at the end. Grandad,
Yes.
what did I say before? When I was practicing,
What was the thing you liked best today?
seeing the dog crying.
What else did you like?
Having the ginger biscuits.
Say I liked.
I liked having the ginger biscuits and the lollipops.
What else did you like?
The teddy bears.
Which teddy bears were they?
Charlie had the rest of them.
Were they sweeties?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll say I like the teddy bear sweeties.
I like the teddy bear sweeties.
And was there anything you liked about today apart from food?
Yeah. I liked all the boats I waved to. Biking. And I liked the picnic.
What did you do on the bike? It was good.
Non-handed.
You did say I did non-handed on the bike.
I did non-handed on the bike. I did, Charlie.
Did you fall off?
Nope.
No, what? What did you do?
Fall off my bike. It didn't fall
Fall
off.
off the bike.
I did non-handed. I didn't fall off.